Have you ever wondered how the ultra-wealthy seem to get richer and richer? Why is that some people accumulate vast fortunes while others struggle to get by? The truth is, millionaires share common habits and mindsets when it comes to money. What if you could learn these secrets of the wealthy and use them to transform your own finances? In this video, we'll explore the 10 key habits of millionaires and how you can develop them too. So, let's get started. Habit 1. Millionaires are avid readers and make learning a lifelong habit. They know that reading expands knowledge, generates new ideas, and provides inspiration. Commit to reading for self-improvement for at least 30 minutes every day. Mix up books, articles, podcasts, and more to keep learning fresh. Read biographies of successful people to understand their journeys. Read books on personal development to expand your mindset. Stay updated on your industry by reading newsletters, magazines, and websites. There is always something new to learn when you make reading a daily habit. Habit 2. Develop multiple sources of income. The rich understand that passive income and multiple income streams are key to wealth. They don't rely on one job or one big business idea. Make money work for you by creating diverse revenue through real estate, investing, online courses, or your own company. Build a portfolio of assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate that provide dividends and appreciation. Own or invest in successful businesses, licensed products, content, or technology. The more income streams you build, the less risk you take, and the more upside you get. Habit 3. Network and build connections. Wealthy people understand the importance of relationships and spend time nurturing connections. They join chambers of commerce, attend conferences and events, and build an extensive network. Reach out to successful people in your industry and find mentors who can guide you. Share advice and help others when you can. Strong contacts often lead to new opportunities, partnerships, and investments that can supercharge your success. Your network is one of the most valuable assets you can build. Habit 4. Embrace risk-taking. Millionaires are willing to take calculated risks that others shy away from. Understand your personal tolerance for risk. Don't go beyond your comfort zone, but don't be ruled by fear either. Weigh pros and cons thoroughly before making major decisions. Sometimes risks reap the biggest rewards, even if some endeavors fail. Don't fall into analysis paralysis either. Billionaire Mark Cuban says, "Go for it. Fail fast, fail cheap." You'll never achieve great success without taking risks. The key is managing risk wisely. Habit 5. Focus on goals. The wealthy are intensely focused on their short and long-term goals. They maintain clarity on what they want to achieve this month, this year, and beyond. Write down specific milestones and deadlines. Break big goals into smaller action steps. Work purposefully towards your goals every single day. Stay persistent despite obstacles and distractions. Review and adjust your goals regularly, but don't lose sight of the big picture. Laser-like focus on objectives sets millionaires apart from the rest. Habit 6. Maintain a positive outlook. Millionaires adopt a glass-half-full mentality and are able to frame challenges in a productive way. They don't dwell on the negative. Stay optimistic and decisive even in difficult times. Develop resilience to bounce back from failures. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people. Look for the upside in any situation. Believe in yourself and your ability to eventually prosper. Your mindset shapes your reality, so make sure it's always positive. Habit 7. Invest wisely. Savvy investing is key to growing wealth. Learn investing basics and strategies. Work with a financial advisor to develop a personalized plan. Invest in assets like stocks, bonds, mutual funds that provide dividends, interest, and appreciation over time. Take advantage of compound growth. Reinvest profits back into assets and ventures that generate more income. Review investments regularly and be ready to adjust your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Wise investors build diversified portfolios. Habit 8. Make time for self-care. Stress and burnout block success. Millionaires know they can't be productive if their mind and body are not healthy. Carve out time for exercise, meditation, enjoying nature and other activities that relax the mind and recharge you. Eat healthy foods that fuel your body. Get enough sleep so you have energy to perform at your best. Take regular vacations to prevent stress. Don't overindulge in unhealthy habits that reduce longevity. Take care of yourself first. It makes achieving success much easier. Habit 9. Give back. Many wealthy individuals donate time, money or skills to causes they care about. They know that giving back provides meaning and fulfillment beyond material success. Find ways to support charities or organizations in your community that align with your values. Mentor others who are starting out. Use your knowledge to help those in need. Giving back creates connection and empathy that money alone can't provide. It's about more than taking. It's about what you can contribute to the world. Habit 10. Continuously learn and improve. Millionaires know improvement is never-ending. They strive to learn new things daily, identify weaknesses and mistakes to correct, and solicit honest feedback from others. Stay hungry and humble. Success can breed complacency. Challenge yourself to gain new skills or improve existing ones. Read books outside your expertise. Expose yourself to new environments, cultures, and ideas. Meet new people. The day you stop learning is the day you stop growing. Continuous self-improvement will serve you well on the road to wealth. So, there you have it. 10 habits of millionaires. Developing the successful habits of millionaires takes diligence, perseverance, and commitment. But implementing even a few of these habits can get you closer to your own financial dreams. Start small. Try one habit per week. Incorporate what works for you. Gain momentum and confidence as you build wealth-oriented habits into your daily life. Remember, the path to prosperity begins with your mindset. Adopt the mindset of the wealthy. Build these habits into your routine and your own success story can unfold. The journey starts today.